Crazy quilts are perfect for playful stitching, specialty threads, and scrap fabric. For this project, we've prepared a downloadable pattern you can try at home. Find the link in the description box. We won't be piecing in this video, since we already have a full step-by-step tutorial on foundation paper piecing. Instead, we'll focus on the best part, the decorative stitching that makes your seams stand out. To stitch our decorative seams, we used the BERNINA 990. One feature we love is Combi Mode. It lets you combine decorative stitches on screen, then mirror, scale, or arrange them into unique patterns. Before we start stitching, let's talk about what we're using in the bobbin. These are wonderful bee bobbins, pre-wound with our ultra-fine DecoBob 80 weight thread. Using a finer thread in the bobbin balances heavier threads like Silco and Mirage on the top. That means smoother tension, crisper stitches, and less bulk at the seam. Bee bobbins are specifically designed for newer BERNINA models, so they drop right in and save you time winding your own bobbins. Here's a quick tip for the B990. Turn off the bobbin sensor before sewing when using the pre-wound bee bobbins. And here's one more tool that makes a big difference: total support. If you've ever had fabric shift or pucker with decorative seams, this stabilizer eliminates that problem. Once your block is pieced, tear away the paper backing. Then cut a piece of total support to size. It holds everything steady, preventing shifting or distortion. The fusible side is synthetic safe, so you can use it with almost any fabric. You can fuse it to the wrong side of the fabric, but for this demo, we're simply placing it underneath so it can be removed after stitching. And when you're done, it tears away cleanly. No residue left behind. Let's start with Silco. It's a 100% cotton and completely lint-free. Your tension stays smooth and your machine stays cleaner. It's a 35 weight with a sateen finish, giving stitches a soft, subtle sheen, not flat like regular cotton, and not overly shiny like polyester. Just the right glow to make your stitches pop. You can use it for quilting, machine embroidery, or even in your serger for decorative seams. Its slightly heavier weight adds texture and presence. And with 30 solid and 30 variegated colors, you'll always find a perfect match. Next, Mirage. Most variegated threads repeat in a predictable sequence. Mirage is different. It's random space dyed, so every spool is unique. No two stitch outs will look the same, which gives your work personality and helps scrap quilts look cohesive. It's a 30 weight rayon with a luminous sheen that adds depth and shimmer to your stitches. Mirage comes in 40 variegated colors, and at 30 weight, this is a beautiful thickness just to stand out on your project. With Silco, you get bold, defined lines, while Mirage adds shimmer and color play. Paired with DecoBob in the bobbin, they both stitch out beautifully and evenly. When you're finished, total support tears away easily, leaving clean, smooth stitches. And here's the final look. Silco gives you rich, full stitches with a soft sheen, while Mirage adds unpredictable color and shimmer. Together, they turn scrap fabric into something polished and full of character. Download the pattern from the description, and if you're new to foundation paper piecing, we've linked our tutorial as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your creations. We'd love to see them. Until next time, happy stitching!
Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great tips, tricks, and tutorials. You can also sign up for our weekly newsletter to get the first look at free projects, sewing tips, and inspiring tutorials delivered right to your inbox. Check out the description box below to sign up, as well as find a list of stores and retailers that you can purchase Wonderfil threads from in your country.